I'd like to share a few points so you can practice by yourself to be good at it. I will use target and master you. Okay, ready? Ready. For jump front snap kick, I'd like you to practice jump front snap kick with the start with the knee up, left knee up here, and hop, switching, kick with the other foot. One more time, knee up, hop, kick. After you get used to that, put your left foot behind, knee up, and hopping, kicking together. Okay, at once. There you go. One more time. Very nice. Okay, for the roundhouse kick, it's very much same. Get knee up, and this time, hopping, turning, twisting, and kick with right foot. That's the roundhouse kick. There you go. One more time. Knee up, hopping, turning, kick right there. One more time. Hop, kick. Okay, now this time, after you get used to it, you can do it whole thing at once. Ready? There you go. One more time. Very good. For side kick, target is right there, and let's go step forward. When this flying side kick, when you're stepping forward, let your body momentum goes to goes to very straight forward. Instead, because of you will turn your body, try not to turn before you jump. It's gonna be reduce your jumping ability. So let's go. Step straight forward and jump up and turning to the side kick. Let's do one more time. Straight, very straight. There you go, very straight and jumping up. Kick. Very nice. Let's go. Whole thing. Ready? Jumping straight and turn kick. One more time. Ready? Very good. Like everything, when you practice over and over, you're going to be good at it.